guys, so I'm just gonna show you how to disable the parking if your car is stuck to the BMW. It's BMW 2012. So what you do, guys, is your transmission. This is the back of the transmission. This is the front. This is the engine. So what you do, guys, get it off. You come right here. See this thing right here, guys? It goes up here and touches this one right here. Okay, forgive me. So once that does, just push this guy up. Pushes and it unlocks the brake. So it's just down here. You have to remove the cover first. The cover, which covers all the way here, here, and here. And then let's do this. There's 5mm. So 5, I'll link you 5. Like that. Okay. So here you go. This is stuff, man. Down here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So good to go. So this guy's free. He's on neutral now. It's manual neutral. Yeah, so this thing pushes up here. It disconnects the connector inside. The car should be free. If you want to push it, you'll be able to push it just freely without engaging the top. This video, guys, help you out. Push it.